Hey everybody, welcome back to Smitty Sells Cars, where I review cars so you don't have to, because pictures lie and smell is free. Today, we're gonna take a look at this sharp 2017 Chevy Cruze LT. It's been in Florida its entire life and serviced at the local Chevy dealership since new. So enough beating around the bush. Let's start taking a look at this thing. So right now, this pretty little 17 can be yours for only $9,000 out the door. That includes your tax, your title, and your tag transfer. The tires and wheels are in great shape all the way around, and it is free of dents, major scratches, and all that stuff too. So really clean shape. Let's get inside. Okay, pretty black cloth interior. Seats are in really good shape. It is a non-smoking vehicle, so it does not smell like a pack of Marlboro Lights in here or anything from your local head shop. Okay. Well, let's start this thing up. Super quiet. Oh, get that AC going already. So 102,094 miles is presently what is on this vehicle. We do have a little TPMS monitor on. We probably got a tire or two a couple pounds low, but that's an easy fix. It's definitely about to open up and start raining, so we're gonna try and finish this thing with any luck before the skies open up. So the layout is really neat in this car. It's definitely simplistic, but I mean, it's an inexpensive car. This is not a top trim being the LT at all. And I don't even know how loaded you could get a Cruze anyway. But let me know, what do you think? Got a real nice glove box there. It lights up, no owner's manual or anything, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, I definitely like the layout of this little thing for sure. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Simple, easy peasy. Back seat as well, super clean. You've got room for 2 full-size adults, but you also have room for 2 car seats back here. You do have a USB charging plug-in down there in the console. And how about this trunk? Good amount of storage in this little hatchback. The other neat thing is you do have a spare and a jack. I cannot tell you how many cars I am seeing, especially from Kia and Hyundai. No spare tire, no jack. I guess they just figure you'll call roadside. I always want a spare tire and a jack, even if I know I'm not going to use it myself. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. See what's going on underneath here. All right, so under the hood, you've got a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It puts out 153 horsepower and 177 foot-pounds of torque. As far as fuel economy is concerned, you're gonna get 30 in the city and 40 on the highway. And yes, believe it or not, that's with the turbo. It's paired to a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, so no, you won't be grinding gears on the way to work in this thing. So this being an LT, it gives you a few touches. Alloy wheels, upgraded infotainment. Just enough creature comforts to not make the drive to work suck so bad. So we got our backup camera there. I figured I'd bring along my little Insta360 today just to give you a different perspective on the test drive. It's so hard for me to get that camera to sit up straight on that tripod. Yeah, super smooth. We got our little flag blowing in the wind so you can hear that a little bit. But the steering, you know, wheel control setups, all that, super easy. You've got Bluetooth, cruise control, everything in the wheel. That turbo definitely helps out, for sure. Brakes are good. Steering is really nice. Suspension's nice. Yeah, no complaints so far. See how this thing does in some tight turns. And I won't have to worry about my camera falling over. But let me know in the comments what you all think of the new view of the test drive, if you like it, if you don't like it. Okay. Turns absolutely perfect. I do like the way this little car is laid out. Everything is very simple to understand. No learning curve here, that's for sure. So let me know in the comments, have you owned a Chevy Cruze? Do you know anybody that has? What are your thoughts on the Chevy Cruze? We definitely got a nasty storm about to hit us over here, that's for sure. And you know we gotta take a look underneath this thing. Looks pretty good. It's definitely a Florida vehicle, as I said. Yeah, that's what it should look like after a handful of years. All right, and tons of meat on them tires. So what do you all think of the interior of this car? Does it have enough pizzazz for you? I mean, you do have a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, basically everything to blast your music, get directions, and ignore calls from your cousin. You know, the one that always just needs to borrow a little bit of money. You've got plenty of cup holders, a comfortable driver's seat, and a back seat that's big enough to actually hold adults, assuming they're friendly with each other. So there you have it. A clean 2017 Chevy Cruze LT that's been dealer serviced its entire life and priced at just $9,000 out the door, tax, tag, and title. Hell, that's even less than J.D. Power says it's worth. And it definitely beats throwing money in that old jalopy you're driving right now. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. We did just break 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much to each and every one of you that have subscribed to the channel. It means the world to me. So if you got some good information today, or just a laugh, hit the like button for me. Drop me a comment. Share the video with one of your goofy friends. Hell, share it with your ex-wife. If you have questions on this pretty 2017, go ahead and shoot me an email. I will get back to you right away. If you would like to schedule an appointment to work with me directly here at the dealership, call this number right here, and they will get you scheduled. I'm Smitty, and I'll see you in the next one. It's nothing life-changing, but it's pretty cool. That's what, you know that feeling? You know that feeling when you find a $20 bill in your jeans? That's the same feeling you'll get in this car.